wait a minute. Lay 5. Lay 5. Yeah, give me kisses. Give me kisses. Give me Sharon kisses first. Yeah, oh. Get it. You want to shake the balloon? You want to shake it? Huh? Well, here. Wait a minute. Sit. Wait a minute. Look over there. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, Shannon. Sit. Shake it. Well, shake the balloon. Shake it. Shake it some more. More. Okay. You want to shake it? Aw. Give kisses to Scotty. Aw. Give Scotty kisses. Aw. Scotty, you want to go out? You want to go out? You want to go out in the car today?
Oh.
Yeah. Shannon, do you want to go out with Scotty? You want to go out? Well, come on. Oh, nice, Scotty. Give Scotty kisses. Go. Scotty, you want to... What do you want to do now? Where's your foot? Where's your foot? Go get your foot. Give it to me. Give your foot. Sit. Lay 5. You want it? Tell me. Tell me you want it. All right. You gonna give it to me? Shake your foot. Shake it. Can you shake your foot? Sit. Come on. Come on. Give me that foot. Sit. Lay 5. Okay. You want it? Tell me you want it. Tell me. Your tail. Chase your tail. Chase your tail. Get your tail. Oh, get it. Yeah. There is your big ball. You want me to go get it? All right. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, what's that? Do you want me to put it away? Shannon, do you want me to put it away? Sharon, put your ball away. Uh-oh, you made? Oh. It's all gone. It's all gone. Where's your foot now? Where's your foot? All right. Sit.
How about you?
Well, I got him a little bit. Wait a minute.
Shannon, who's that, Scotty? You gonna give kisses to Scotty? Give kisses to Scotty. kisses to Scotty. You love Scotty? Sharon going to take Scotty out in the car. You want to go with Scotty? Huh? Do you? You don't want one? Want one? Well, you walk. Walk for Sharon. Here. Well, you gotta walk. Come over here. Come on. Okay, you walk. You walk. That's it. Okay, you sit. Is it good? You want another one? Come on. Come over here. Want to go out? Hmm? You want to go? Hmm? Where's your leash? Where's your leash? Where's your leash, Shannon? Hmm? Where is it? You want to go out? Huh? You want to go out and see Pepper? Where's Pepper? Hmm? Yeah? Well, where's your leash? You want to go out? Well, sit. Okay. You lay 5 on me. You give me some kisses. Yeah. What a nice puppy. You want to go get your leash? Go get it. Where is it? Where's your leash? It's all gone. Well, you can't go out now anyway. You gonna walk for Sharon again? You walk for Sharon. Look what I got. Sit. And you stay there. Sit. Sit. You sit down and be a nice puppy. No, why aren't you bad? Glue. Here, I'll get the balloon for you. You want the balloon? Well, walk. You walk for the balloon. Come on, you walk. Go get it. Okay, can you shake the balloon? Shake it. Get it. Shake it. Watch. Can you shake it? How come you're not shaking it? There, shake it.
That's it. You can't do that no more. Now try
Now
it.
here, you're gonna come sing. Jet, one. Try. Let's see.